Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a tire using the Wagan Tech 12V Roadside Impact Wrench. Be sure to start the engine prior to using the impact wrench. Once you have the engine running and you remove the 12V impact wrench from its case, take the 12V DC socket and insert into your cigarette lighter accessory plug. First step is to find the appropriate lug nut for your vehicle. In this case, it's a 21mm. The next step is to remove the center cap from your vehicle as well to give access to the lug nuts. Next, attach a socket to the impact gun. Depress the bottom trigger to loosen the lug nuts. Now I'm going to use the Wagan Tech 2-in-1 electric jack to raise the vehicle. Please refer to your car's owner's manual for the proper method to do so. Once the wheel has been lifted up off the ground, go ahead and remove the rest of the lug nuts. Now reinstall the tire back on the vehicle. Once the wheel's back on the vehicle, go ahead and reinstall your lug nuts, hand tightening them one at a time. Once the lug nuts are hand tightened on the wheel, go ahead and reinstall them using the impact gun by pressing the top trigger. Just remember to do it in a diagonal or crisscross pattern. Once all the lug nuts are tightened, make sure that you torque them to the appropriate specs outlined in your manual. And you can reinstall your center cap if you have one. Once you're confident everything's tight and ready to go ahead and lower your vehicle. And that's how you replace a tire with the Wagan Tech 12V Roadside Impact Wrench. For more DIY tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.